Okay, now you may not believe it, but okay, tonight this evening I'm going to show that how the fruit fly, which is called butterfly, it causes of a lot of orange fruit dropping. Okay, you may not believe, so I'm going now to catch or kill all the butterflies that puncture the oranges. Okay, now it's evening time. So you may not believe it, but it's true. Okay, so you see the video. Okay, I'm going to the orange orchard now. Okay, this is the video. Okay, friends, particularly all the orange cultivator, it's true. In truth, making this video during evening time, especially this butterfly during days they fly around all the orchard, but at evening time it comes to the tree and it usually sits in the oranges fruits, and it's because of its sweetness it sucks, okay, through its peel. Then up to 11 or 12 o'clock it's seated on all the oranges fruits which punctured, and after before it matures, this all the punctured oranges will drop to the ground. See, I myself alone went in the oranges garden and using this my own mobile phone, and with torch I shoot this short video. See, so how to control, everyone must try one's best how to control, then only the profit will come to the oranges cultivators. Every year food causes not only because of some other diseases and not about animals or flies or some stings, bugs, not because of all the diseases, but particularly because of all the various flies, especially butterflies, it causes lots of fruit drops. See, this also one a kind of butterfly. Now I'm going to show another tree. There also you can see the butterfly. It's there on top of the orange tree. See there. That one. It's going on sucking its juice. See? Then every evening or night one has to go to the oranges garden in order to kill or make it run away, or some other methods you have to use to control the fruit drops of oranges. See, I've used torchlight there. Though the video is not very clear, but one can understand or guess and